Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing bombcoupons.com. And if you don't know what this site is, it is basically a site that gives you codes to games or apps. So for example, Xbox Game Pass, PS Plus free code, Spotify Premium, and free DLC keys for Sims. Now, as you can see, it has a 12-month code, free premium, all DLC unlocked. And for you to be able to get this, all you need to do is basically just make a small task. For example, answer a survey or watch some ads. And basically, this, I'll say it up front, this website is a scam. Since it is impossible to get a 12-month code from Xbox Game Pass just by doing these small steps. And it's basically too good to be true. And if you look right over here to scamadvisor.com, they are rated a measly 1 out of 100 on ScamAdvisor. So the only positive highlight they have is that they have a valid SSL certificate. And the negative highlights are that, according to Tranco, this site has a low rank. The registrar has a high percent of spammers and fraud sites. And they found a negative association on social media. This website has received negative reviews. This website is very young and has a suspiciously high number of reviews. This website is very young, and this website has been marked as a threat by DNS filter in the last 30 days. So that is basically it. So please do not use bombcoupons.com. They are a scam and they do not work. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.